Alright folks, the engine is literally finished. There's nothing else to be done here. All the electricals got done. There was some wiring that were burned. Had to re-wire it, especially the voltage wire. That one got burned, so I had to do some kind of insulation with it. I had to do some kind of insulation for it, right? You see this ball? Yes, see that ball? You see that clutch rod shaft? So what you're gonna understand is this is an oil pattern. As the clutch is spinning, the oil is going through the there is a hole on the main shaft. There's a hole, so any oil that goes into that hole, the pattern literally push it back, and it kept on traveling like this until it's full. All right, so that's what this pattern is for. That ball is the only thing between the clutch arm and the end of this one. Otherwise, when the clutch arm twists, you got a flat side and you got a circle side. When it twists, it becomes more, it pushes it more, and that ball is the only thing between that and this one. You need to have the ball between it instead of the end of the rod, because while it may work with the end of the rod, you are going to damage either the arm or this. So how you do it is this: you feed this. All right, it's already in the hole. See if I can Now you feed this. Normally you're supposed to put fresh engine oil on it, but just make sure it doesn't have any dirt. The bike will run and it will lubricate itself. Turn this until the other side gets even the way that I want it. See what I'm doing? Okay. Now, I need this. I need something like this.